The Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Abvp Meghalaya is set to hold its first conference in the city from October 25th to 27th at Aurobindo Hall. Secretary of Abvp Meghalaya Tanku Marak informed the media that the conference will bring together around 500 delegates from various districts within Meghalaya and other states. A cultural procession will be carried out from La Umkra Point to Aurobindo Hall, showcasing the state's rich heritage. Marak said this conference will provide a platform for meaningful discussions and connections among attendees.
25-27 of October 2024. This state conference will held in Shillong at Aurobindo Ashram, and in this state conference, 500 delegates from various districts and various places will be present, and other senior Abvp members in Calcutta will be present from the different districts of Meghalaya.
The Indo-Bangla culture